Okay, so today we will bind an SSL certificate to the Citrix brokering servers without using IIS. So we pretend we do not have IIS installed and we want to bind the certificate to the broker service. I already created the PFX certificate and I've imported it. So it's imported, but it is not bound anywhere. So if we go with netsh http and show SSL chart, I don't have anything at this moment. So the first thing that we need the thumbprint of the certificate. Not properties, open details and the thumbprint. So we need to copy it in a notepad. I already done that. Now we need the thumbprint of the broker service installed on this DDC, and we can find that by searching in the registry. Under classes root, under where was it? 1 second. Installer and products. Installer, products, and here we should search for Citrix broker service. Citrix broker service. I don't know if it's case bro. It shouldn't be broker service. Okay. So Citrix broker service. This is the thumbprint. We need to copy it. Copy key name. So this is our thumbprint. Okay, we need to prepare this because we will use a command that we should transform this key like this. So after 8 characters, we need to add a dash. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A dash. 1, 2, 3, 4 dash. 1, 2, 3, 4 dash. 1, 2, 3, 4 dash. And the last one should be 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, perfect. And we also need to add quotes. Okay, so this will be the app ID. Okay, so the formula is like this. To install the SSL cert, I'm copying it from an article and we just edit this. So netsh http add SSL. We will add it with no IP address. So let's delete this. chart H. This is the thumbprint, so this is our thumbprint. Copy and replace this one. And app ID is the one that we prepared. Okay, so let's see. One more thing, I also read this online. It's best to save this file as, where is it on temp? Let me put it here in temp. Chart cmd and save it as ANSI and go save. For some reason, it's better to save it like this and then come back and copy the entire command. And we now just have to run this command. Okay, let's see that if it's bound. Okay, so basically our job here is done. Of course, one more thing that we have to do is to test it, and one thing to test is to go on the storefront and where is it? So I've already tested this several times to see the difference. So I will with curl we can test the connection between the storefront and the DDC. Okay, let's see here. Server accepted. Okay. SL connection renegotiated. Okay, let me try to reboot the server to see if it looks the same. Okay, so I restarted the delivery controller and I run again the command to test if HTTPS is working, and indeed we can see here that it's connected to my DDC. So I'm here from the storefront to the DDC, and it's using port 443, and it's not finding HTTP. So this means we have correctly configured our correctly installed our certificate and bound it to the Citrix broker service. And I've also changed the communication between the storefront and the DDC to HTTPS. Okay, this was it for this video. Thank you.